Gluten that we're talking about, genetically as South Asians, we're all not supposed to be having a very high gluten diet. Our bodies are not wired as such. Our bodies are designed to have a diet which is higher in fiber. And that's what our platter, our foods used to look like several years ago. Now, over time, what has happened is that systematically the fiber has gone down in our diets, and the gluten or high gluten foods have increased. So maida, which is very heavily consumed in the country, it's just essentially gluten. Even the attas that are available, the wheat-based attas that are available, most of the fiber is out. Fiber is pretty much out of the atta that we get, and we've all been sold on the concept of white phuli hui rotis, which are the mark of a good household or a good woman or a good wife who cooks these wonderful, lovely rotis for the household. And how do we get these rotis? These are attas which are pretty much essentially devoid of all the fiber. Even the wheat that was there in the country many years ago was a high fiber variety of wheat, not what we have started to consume now. So in that sense, gluten is not really the enemy, but just the huge amounts of gluten that we eat now lead to many problems and disorders for people. So if you do find that you have certain issues, maybe just cutting down on the gluten a little bit is very, very useful for many people. And you can do that experiment and try it at home, and you can see that it overall has a better impact on your digestion and several health issues. So if you're allergic, of course, you have to cut out the gluten. If you're not, if you reduce it and increase other gluten-free grains in your diet, you will see an overall benefit to your health.